Hello dear friends, solving equations. In this video I'm going to show you an easy way to solve equations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division equations. Let's see this example. Solve the equation 16 plus x equals 57. And to solve the equation means I need to find the value of the x. I will use a triangle like this. This is called the triangle method. Okay, I know that addition and subtraction are related together. So here is addition. So this is an equation in addition. So I'll put here on the base of the triangle the plus sign, and on the sides I always put the subtract sign. So always the triangle of the addition and subtraction, we have the plus sign on the base and the minus sign on both sides. Now we read it 16 plus x. So where is plus? Here it is. So I'll put here 16 in this corner and x here on the other corner. And the last 57, I will put it at the top of the triangle. Now, to find x, to solve the equation, I need to find the value of x. So I look at the opposite side of x. What is written on the opposite side? Can you see with me? This is 57 minus 16. So I will write it here. X equals 57 minus 16, and you subtract normally. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4, and this is the solution of this equation. So x equals 41 is the solution. If you want to check, you can substitute x by 41 here. 16 plus 41 you will find is equals to 57. Another example. Solve the equation y minus 11 equals 23. Again, I will use my triangle. Okay, and I know this is subtraction, so this triangle is for addition and subtraction. Again, I will put here the add sign, and on both sides I will put the minus sign. Now, read it. Y minus 11. So, where is the minus? Here is the minus. So, y minus 11 lets me to put the y on the top, and minus 11 I can put the 11 here or there, it doesn't differ, and of course that 23 will be here. Now where is y? This is y, so I need to find y, so I look at the opposite side of the y. Look with me here. What is this? So y equals 11 plus 23. I just copy it from the triangle. So y equals 34 is my solution. And of course, if you substitute y equals 34 here, you will find 34 minus 11, you will get 23. So your answer is correct. Another example. Now, solve the equation 64 minus m equals 23. Again, this is subtraction equation, so I will use the triangle of add and subtract. At the bottom I put the plus, here I put the minus and minus. Okay, now 64 minus m. So where do I put the 64 and m? I look at the minus, it's here, so I put here 64 minus, I can write m here or here, and remaining the number is 23 here. Now I want the value of m to get the solution of this equation. M, I look at the opposite side. As you see, I'm repeating all the steps again and again in every example. So 64, so m equals 64 minus 23, which m equals 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 2, 4. So m equals 41 is the solution. Another example, 16m equals 32. Look at this one. 16m means 16 multiplied by m. It is the same like this dot. So 16m is multiplication. So I will use a triangle, but in this case I will not use the addition and subtraction, but I will use multiplication and division. And in multiplication division, I put here the multiply sign, or the dot, it means the same, okay? And here on the sides I put the division sign. So here multiply, and on the sides we put division. Now we read the equation 16m, or 16 multiplied by m. So I look here on the triangle, where is the multiply sign? Here it is. So I put the 16 here and the m here, and 32 I will write it at the top. Now to find m, to get the solution, so m equals, I look at the opposite side, which is, let us read it together. It is 32 divided by 16. So m equals 32 divided by 16. This means that m equals 2, and this is the solution. And if you substitute 2 here in m, so 16 multiplied by 2 equals 32. So you are correct. Now, Carla is buying ribbon for costumes. She wants to divide the ribbon into 8.5-inch pieces for 16 costumes. Write and solve a division equation to find the length of ribbon Carla should buy. So, the equation means that I don't know how much ribbon will she use, but if we divide it at 8.5 inches in each piece to get 16 costumes. So this is the equation, and I want to solve this equation. To solve it, we have division here, so I'll make the triangle of the division and multiplication. Remember, here is the multiplication, here is the division on both sides. Now, r divided by 8.5. So where do we put the r? We put it up at the top, and here we put 8.5, and here is multiplied by 16. So to get r, I look at the opposite side, which is 8.5 times 16. So this means that r equals 16 multiplied by 8.5. If we want to do it here on the side, okay, so here is 16 times 8.5. Let's multiply together. We ignore the decimal point first, if you remember. 6 times 5 is 30, 0 and carry up 3. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3, 8. Put a 0 here, and multiply 6 times 8, 48. Carry up 4. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 4 is 12. And then you add 0. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry up 1. This is 3, and this is 1. And we count how many decimal places. This is only 1, so put the decimal point here. So the answer will be 136.0, which is 136, which is, write and solve a division equation to find the length of the ribbons. So the length is 136 inches. Hope you understand, you like the video. Please subscribe and leave any comment. Thank you.